Be, why are you beautiful?
Because I look like you.
Really?
Yeah,
I love you.
I love you.
Can you show me your dimple? Mm. Mwah. Can
You
you show
don't-
me your dimple
You don't
first?
want me to show, right?
Show me your
Because
dimple
you are
first.
picturing me.
Am I? Show me your dimple first. I'm asking. Nanay is asking you, are you going to sleep with Nanay tonight? Shh, are you going to sleep with baby girl?
You're always naughty.
Baby girl, are you going to sleep with Nanay?
Oh, see? Because you give me your bum. Do it again. See, look. Oh, oh. You hurt me. You scratch me like this. See, look. Oh, see, Mama, oh, look. Ow!
Oh no, say sorry to Nanay.
Do you love me?
Why do you want to sleep with me? You tell Mama first. Why? Oh, we're gonna fall down. Why?
You said I'm. Yes, I know that one. And
Stand
where
up.
else?
I can't.
And where else?
And here.
No, I didn't. You see, I always say, can I kiss the ilok? The ilok. Yo. Oh, see, you hurting
What
me.
is?
Oh, it hurts.
You know when I do watch it?
Yeah.
I toy all there.
Yeah. You see, you hurting me. Nanay only kiss you here and the ilok and the bam. Oh, you hurting me again. Ay, no.
Peter, I like that though.
What?
Peter, I like that though.
She's a cat girl.
Oh, are you a cat girl? Ow! Mama, it hurts.
Oh no,
Ow.
Nanay hurting.
Ow!
So are you sleeping with Mama with Nanay tonight, Be?
No, see where Mama is.
Oh, where's your bag?
No.
Where's the bag?
What?
Where? Oh, see?
The dog ran away.
Oh no.
Oh,
No
What's the name
more.
of your dog? Beauty.
and the beast. I am the beauty. The dog is the beast.
The beauty.
Yeah, who's beautiful, me or you?
Me.
Oh,
Peter, I have young hair.
but I've got a long hair too.
No, you are your hair. You got a hair like a boy.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Like this.
But Nana is beautiful than
No.
you.